Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for those who are new here, hi, my name is Rekha. So before moving forward, please subscribe to my channel and also click that bell icon so that you all don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So as you all can read by today's title, today I am going to sharing with you all some products which I have been using for quite a long time. I have to also tell you these products are very useful and they are affordable, so any of y'all can use them. And also I have been using this for quite a long time, so it's highly recommended. Before any delay, let's get into the video. So as everybody knows, before applying any sort of makeup or any product over your skin, you'll have to moisturize your face with a good moisturizer. But I personally used to not apply a moisturizer until I knew about it that we have to apply moisturizer. Before I used to apply only sunscreen. So the sunscreen I used to apply was this Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Gel. It was for 250 rupees. So I used to only apply this, and after that I used to do makeup and all. But after discovering or finding out that we have to apply a moisturizer, I started using this is actually not a cream, but this is actually not a moisturizer, but it is a cream. So this is the Nivea Aloe Hydration. This is the Nivea Aloe Hydration cream. So this is actually not for oily skin types, but my skin sometimes it is oily and sometimes it becomes dry. I don't know. So I used to use this for quite some time, and this used to come. This is actually good. But then I wanted to change it, meaning I wanted to apply moisturizer, perfect moisturizer. So then I started using this Pond's moisturizer, Pond's Super Light Gel moisturizer, and this is a oil-free moisturizer. This I think so is recommended or is for all of y'all, for all skin types. So this is actually for 299 rupees and this is 147 grams. So this actually I've been using it for around a month or maybe 2 to 3 weeks, and this is actually good. After that, some people who does the makeup, they use foundation. So I used to see okay, don't laugh on me. I used to, when I was in 11th 12th, I don't remember, I don't think so 11th 12th, I think so my first year or something like that, I used to use foundation. Yes, foundation directly. That time I had no sense of makeup and all. I used to use foundation and I used to go to college. But then I discovered about this Pond's BB cream. I hope you can see it. This Pond's BB cream. So if for the people who don't want to use foundation, they can use this Pond's BB cream. This is actually just for 120 rupees. And this is the medium one, I guess. A smaller one also comes. So this is actually for 18 grams or something like that. It gives an instant spot coverage and a natural glow. It is not actually it is not actually too heavy or something. It's just a cream. So I recommend you all to use this one if you all don't want to use foundation. So after using foundation or a BB cream, Pond's BB cream, people use loose powder or compact, anything. So I never used, I don't think so I ever used a loose powder. I have been using compacts since quite a long time. Use the Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus matte for powder foundation something. So it is actually primer, powder and foundation, 3 in 1. So as I hope you can see, So So as you can see, I've been almost used this. You can either use the sponge or the makeup brush or the powder brush and just apply a thin layer of powder on your face. So after that I move on to moisturizing my lips actually. So you all might think that what, moisturize your lips? Yes, actually, because if you all want your lipstick to look more natural or to look good on you, so you all need to moisturize, or maybe apply a little thin amount actually, sorry my bad, of lip balm. So first I used to apply that Vaseline, the small one which comes, I don't have it now, but then I started using the lip balm actually, antioxidant berry. This is from Maybelline, I hope I can see it, Maybelline. I love this. I lost the one, so I bought the new one. It came I guess 2 days prior. So I moisturize my lips and then I let it stay for some time. After moisturizing my lips, meaning after applying the lip balm, I move on to my eyes. So if you're a kajal fan or something, I recommend you all to use this. I don't know if you can see it. This Maybelline New York, the Colossal Kajal. This is my favorite kajal. I've been using this from 10th standard or 11th standard. I have been using it for such a long time, I think past 6 years now. So you all can actually know how much I love this product. So if you all don't want to use this, then you all can use the Lakme Iconic Kajal something, but I highly recommend you all to use this product because this is actually a kajal and an eyeliner. So if you all want to apply eyeliner, then you all can apply the eyeliner over the lid, and if you all want to only apply the kajal, then you all can apply it on your waterline. Trust me, this is my favorite product. I highly recommend you all to use this product. So after applying kajal, some people apply mascara, some don't. I was a mascara fan and a kajal lover, I guess, but then at some point I started using only mascara and no kajal, and some point I used to use only kajal and no mascara. So the mascara I used to use and I'm still using is this Maybelline. I don't know if you all can see it. I'm sorry if you all can't see it. I'll link all the products down in the description box. This is the Maybelline New York the Hyper Curl Volume Express. So some people apply waterproof and some don't. I apply waterproof because sometimes while going to college, I used to get wet in the, obviously in the helmet you get wet. So you all know what happens if you get wet, or if any water falls on your eyes, all the mascara comes down, and obviously you all don't want such a thing to happen to you all. So I use the waterproof mascaras. So I have been using this and this, both of them, for almost 5 years. So I highly recommend you all to use these products and also tell me how it works on you all. Then after this, after my eyes, only this much, okay, I only use mascara, kajal and mascara on my eyes. Some people use eyeshadow and whatnot, but I actually don't use eyeshadow because I like it normal. So after this my eyes are done totally. First my base is done, then my eyes are done, and then I go down to my lips again. So for the lips, okay, I'll tell you. First I used to not apply lip liner because obviously I did know about it. I knew, but I used to not apply it. But I never knew that after applying lip liner, it gives you so much meaning shape to your lips or something. I actually don't need shape or volume or plumpness or anything for my lips, because I love my lips how they are. So the lip liner I use, okay, I don't know where it is now, I'm sorry. Okay, forget it. I'll show you. I'll show you all. Okay, I found it. I'm sorry, I found it. So the lip liner I use is the Lakme Perfect Definition Lip Liner. It's the Lakme Perfect Definition. I don't know if you can see it. So it's the Lakme Perfect Definition Lip Liner. It's in the shade Go Grape, I guess, 23 Go Grape. So after applying lip liner, okay, I will also tell you, I will make a video on applying all the products I have been telling you in this video. I'll make a video on that so that you all actually know how it turns out. So I apply this lip liner and then I apply any lipstick you all want. So this is my first purchase, maybe, I don't know. This is my first purchase of lipstick and I have been using this for a long time. This is the Maybelline New York Lip Gradation. So it's actually just like a crayon, something you twist it from down and the lipstick just comes out like this and you apply it over. And there's also a corrector down below, so if you just came out somewhere, then you can just rub it off. So this actually my younger sister Akshata, she actually had this lipstick and I once applied it and I actually loved it. How it's actually something soft velvet type, so I actually love this, so I quickly got it for me, this one. And I also have this in pink, the shade I actually put this one today in this video. So this is the pink one and this is the red one. Trust me, this lip gradation, if you all can't, this, I don't know I think so this is a for 500 or something. I don't know the price of it. I'll just link it down below. Okay, wait, I don't know the price of it. I'll link it down below, but I think so this is very affordable. And if still you all can't afford this, then I suggest you all to use the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipsticks. So they come like this. They actually blue. This is the brown one. So these are actually for 250, 300 something. So for those who can't afford the higher price lipstick, you all can afford these. So you all can purchase this. So after this, everything is done. So this is it. I don't apply anything more. So these are, I think, 7 to 8 products which I used to apply, and trust me, this gives you a good flawless, just like makeup look. I will make a video on this, applying all the products which I have listed today for you guys, so that you all know how it actually feels. So thank you guys for watching my video, and do like my video and also subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to tell your friends to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that bell icon so that you all don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So thank you guys, bye.